guys, what's going on? Zarak here is back, and today I'm reviewing the VAX Cordless 32 volts Ultra vacuum cleaner. So I'm just going to quickly unbox it and show you what's inside. Once you open the box, the contents should be all packaged well to refrain from any damages that it may can cause. Right guys, once you've unpacked all the contents from the box, this is what you're going to get. You'll get a power head with the brush bar, the reach wand, the vacuum system itself, charger, a couple of screws for the docking station, and a couple of tools that come with it. You get the dust tool, the pet tool, and the crevice tool. Other VAX cordless vacuum models gives you the opportunity to purchase extra tools, but unfortunately not for this model at this time. More information can be found on their website, vax.co.uk. Right, I'm just going to turn this on and see how loud this is. I'm sure it's going to be as loud as a corded vacuum. So let's go ahead and try this out. As you can see, it's on straight onto the boost mode. I'll turn that off. Suction is done quite well. Put it back on boost mode. While I was on boost mode, I'm sure it did not have the same suction power as a corded vacuum, but it was fairly nearly there. So the runtime on the VAX Cordless Blade 32 volt Ultra is 45 minutes. That depends upon what mode you're in. So for example, if you're on the boost mode, then your runtime will dramatically drop to about 20 to 25 minutes. The capacity of this hoover it can take is about 0.6 liters. The charging time takes about 4 hours to fully charge, and there's also 2 years manufacturer's guarantee with this. So if your 2 years is up, then don't worry, the VAX team is there to always support you, whatever problem that you have. So if you do come across any problem with this hoover, they can diagnose the problem and they'll come out with a solution also. So when all the attachment is assembled with this hoover, the weight of this will be around 5 kg. It will still be light and easy to carry, and easy to vacuum on all surfaces such as tiles, carpets, and laminate flooring. Right, enough of me, and let's test this out. So I've got this all set up, and as you can see, I've got my two attachments there, the head and also the bar. Over here you got your power indicators, your boost mode, and also your brush bar mode. So let's test this out. Let's switch this on. That's the boost mode there. I'll lower it down. Let's see if it picks up. I have pieces of glass over here. Let's put it on the brush bar. Right, it picked up all the glass that I had on the carpet. I'm just going to put this in boost mode. See the container in there. Take the boost mode off. Put it on brush bar. That light's turned green. See how the brush bar is moving. Try there. Take the brush bar off. That was pretty good, that was. Right, I'm going to try this on laminate flooring also. So here we go, switch this on. Take the boost mode off. Save me a bit of battery power. So to empty this container, all you do is flip it on your left and then just open this flap. And that's all your rubbish out of the container. To take the filter out to be clean, all you have to do is tilt it on the other side, unlock it, and it comes straight out, ready to be cleaned. So the price of the VAX blade 32 volts costs around £300, which was slightly above my budget just for a vacuum cleaner. So hold on, if the VAX vacuum cleaner 32 volts costs around £300 and the 24 volts costs around £150, the only difference is the 10 minutes runtime. So can't I just get 2 times 24 volts of the VAX vacuum and have an hour of runtime? Makes sense, doesn't it? Anyway, that could be one of the reasons why the VAX 32 volts price has come down dramatically from £300 to about £160. If we were to go to Currys or Argos or any of the big stores out there, the prices do tend to fluctuate all the time. So keep an eye out and also make the right decision and the right purchase in the right time. So as Dyson and VAX are two big competitors in this game, it's always best to do your research on which hoover you would like to go ahead with, as both of them pretty much do the same job, but the only difference is the price. For me, the VAX blade has come out on top, not only because it's cheaper than Dyson, but this new shape and how easily you can grip onto it and also maneuver the hoover is one of the best features that I like about it. So guys, that was my quick review of the VAX Cordless Blade 32 volts hoover, and if you have any questions regarding this hoover, just comment below and I should get back to you shortly. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.